This isn't a debate, I'm afraid. You need to return it, lest you succumb to unforeseen consequences. Well then, we'll see about that. We will see about that.
Welcome to OLATERRIO safety and instruction tape for assembling clones. This tape will go over how to assemble clones as well as the do's and don'ts of assembling a clone. So put on your anti-static wristbands and let's get to work. As a clone assembler, you are responsible for the assembly and quality assurance of clones. Be sure to pay close attention to this tape as it is vital that you do your job right as to not destroy months worth of work. Let's start with preparing the clone shell for surgery. Firstly, make sure there are no punctures or dents on the shell. Check that all entry and exit holes of the shell are open and not clogged. Sterilize the shell, insert it into the sterile bag, and move it to the operation room. Double check matching blood types and compatibility of inner organs prior to surgery. Failure to do so could cause unwanted side effects post-surgery. Once you're done double checking all components and organs, it is time to begin the surgery. Start by creating one consistent incision on the back throughout the whole body. Stand the shell upwards and then insert the metallic skeleton into the shell. Make sure not to disorganize the organs and electronic components when inserting the metal skeleton within the shell. Insert the extracted DNA sample into the main circuit board and be extra careful not to cause any leaks. Tighten all artificial arteries and double check that they are airtight.
Once everything is in place, begin supplying the IV back into the one-time use external port. Remember to check that the AIV has not been tampered with and that excess radiation has been weared off. Once the IV has been tripped in, detach it and begin to seal up the shell.
Once the shell has been sealed up, all that's left is to initiate the artificial heart with a controlled shock. Congratulations, you have now completed the assembly process of an OLATERRIO brand clone. It is recommended that the clone is kept within the facility for a minimum of 20 hours to make sure that all systems run properly and no glitches occur. Now that you know how to assemble an OLATERRIO brand clone, it's time to put your newfound knowledge to work. Stay safe and stay sterile.